Hello everyone, welcome back to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn text transform by using CSS style tag and CSS text transform property to specify uppercase or lowercase in a text straight away. It can be used to everything into uppercase or lowercase letters, like making capitalization for first letter of each word. Also it is possible making this text transform property. So let's simply, you may observe here three paragraphs I have taken here, and here I'm making, instead of class names, is upper. The first one I'm making is upper class, and the second class I'm applying here lower class, and here it is the third one. I'm changing the class names, making quick response capital. Okay, capitalize, or else capitalize, we choose first letter will be capital, it would be. So the property is also, the property is text transform, text transform, use uppercase, that's it. And here I'm taking a copy of this line, the same property we are going to apply, and the value will change. Yes, now here it is in a lowercase, yes, lowercase, and here the third one it is capitalize. Yes, three properties we have applied very perfectly. So one by one classes I'm going to changing here, what is this, uppercase, this paragraph text transform. Let's see here, text transform. Let's see first one. First we will see the first one. Save it and reload the page. Yes, this is a paragraph text. It is the text should be transformed. Let me check here into the uppercase letters. Like a class we have used uppercase. So sorry, here it is upper only, my class name. So I need to write upper. Save it, reload. Wow, beauty. See, the text of the first class we have applied for this particular paragraph, we have seen the uppercase letters here directly. Wherever, if you are printed something, an information of text, you want to presenting headings or anything, you can apply this class by making text transform. All the class, the class wherever you are applied, all will be converted into capital, and it will be displayed very simply. It may be in thousands of pages of your project, HTML project. Alright, so very beauty and easy. So the next one we'll see a lower. So the next class also we have prepared lower. So I am applying here in thick. Yes, replace the class name. So check it, save. Wow, all it is converted into lower. Let me check, is there any capital letters? Yes, here it is in a capital. So B also I will convert it into bold, capital letter. So let's see, even it will be converted into, refresh, it will be, all will be displayed in lowercase letters only. So how beauty it is. And now here the capitalize mode. The capitalize mode we will apply for first letter only, capital. So the capitalize, I'll take it, and yes, here it is. Save it and reload the page. See, first letter is capital, rest of the letters are small. So this way we can build this particular text transformation. So I hope it will be very simple and easy. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.